Happy Tuesday. What is going on, you guys? I know I haven't been on here in a while. I'm sorry. And I wasn't going to even come on here today because I haven't been feeling well. But I wanted to come on here and share my experience with my heat press because if somebody else was having this same type of experience, then I wanted to let them know that they're not alone or you could possibly have this experience. So I just wanted to share. To me, sharing is caring. So I'm going to talk to you today about my Hix Heat Press. And if you are new to my channel, my name is April Imani Smith. I am the owner and CEO of She Is Creations. She Is Creations, we are a custom apparel company. So we make it all. So if you need something for your organization, your next girls trip, your couple shirt, your business, or just a statement tee to just rock, we got you. So you can check out our website. I will run it across the screen here. But to get into the video, because I don't want to be on here too long, because like I said, I was not feeling well, but making this video might be a little therapeutic. Some months ago, I upgraded my printing mechanisms of how I make t-shirts to the digital heat effect system. And if you want to see a video on the digital heat effect system, thumbs it up and comment below, and I would do a video on start to finish on how I create custom transfer sheets. When I got the printer, I needed to get a different heat press. It's kind of like you don't want to upgrade to a nice car and still go to your junkyard mechanic, you know what I mean? So because I got 3 other heat presses, but they just was not going to get the job done because there is a process where you have to marry the papers and they have to be at a certain pressure, and if they're not at a certain pressure, then it just doesn't work. So in order to do that, I had to get a different heat press. Now, my husband does not make t-shirts, so he does not know. He's my chief operating officer. He does my administrative stuff. He does not know how to do the t-shirt part. So he did not understand why we needed a different heat press when we have so many. So he wanted to go with, so he did some research and we went with the HT600. It wasn't probably the most expensive model that gives the pressure readout. It got the job. It's gonna get the job done based on the reviews and based on the research that he did. Long story short, we went with the company Hix. Hix does not deliver, so we had to go through a different company, which we chose Best Blanks because it's a Florida company, and we actually thought, because it's a Florida company, so we actually thought they had the machine, and they did, but we wasn't going to pick it up. So in order to get it shipped, they shipped from the manufacturer, and anyways, I think I ordered it Friday, and I think I probably got it Monday. But when I got it, all of this was bent up. And I'll insert pictures for you below with all of this. It was bent up, it went open, a whole mess. So I end up calling Best Blanks, and they're like, oh, call Hix. I call Hix, and they're like, oh, call FedEx. I call FedEx. They're like, oh, call Hix. Like, look, I feel like y'all just got me going round and around and around and around and around in a circle. So I said, no, I'm gonna go back to basics, to where I got the heat press from. So I got the heat press from Best Blanks. So I called Best Blanks, and I'm like, look, I'm your customer. So how are you guys giving me the runaround? My relationship is with you. I spent my money with your company, and I got a product that I can't use. When I spoke to the sales representative, I explained my sense of urgency. So now I got a product that I can't use, and now nobody don't want to send me another one. She ended up putting a ticket in. So I ended up getting a call from Hix, and they told me they were shipping another one out. And that same day, FedEx was already at my house to pick up the old one. So I'm like, okay, there's a sense of urgency for you to get your old one, but there wasn't a sense of urgency for me to get my product. Just bad business all around. I did end up getting it a whole week later, which I was so frustrated. And I explained my frustration to the manager, like, you know, I just feel like you guys could have did a better job. There was no empathy. You guys was giving me the runaround. And I'm your customer. My relationship is with you. So, I mean, you just kind of ruined any future opportunities I have with buying something from your company because of the way I was treated. So the manager did talk to me. He understood. He was very relatable. So he ended up sending me a bunch of different papers that I can use with my OKI 8432WT. So I was okay with that. But just the whole experience was a mess. But moving on to months later, I got my heat press. So I have a few questions here that I will answer for you. Why did I get it? Because I needed a machine that can give me a pressure readout, and it does just that. Even though it doesn't have digital where I can pick the pressure, you still turn the knob. The knob up there is still manual, but when you bring it down or whatever, it does show the pressure readout. It has four automatic settings, so I can set one for when I marry the papers, and it's the setting for temperature and time, not pressure. Pressure, you always gotta reset it yourself if you're changing it at all. I usually leave it at 3 or 4, and I don't ever change. What was your honest reaction when you first opened a package? Again, first package, been up, very upset. Second package, it was nice. It was good to go. What problems were you expecting the product to solve? Mirroring the transfers. The paper for my OKI 8432WT is very expensive. So using my other heat presses and messing up sheet after sheet after sheet, it was getting old. So nah, that wasn't what we was gonna keep doing. Do you have pictures to prove how well the product has helped you? If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put it right here. You'll see my shirts. You can tell the difference. Well, I can. Some people can't. But what were your likes and dislikes? Again, I didn't like the customer service, but I do love the product. I love the product so much till now. My husband sees the value, so we're actually gonna upgrade to the automatic one because I get tired of I'm doing something else. I just wanted to pop open, so we was being cheap and expensive because he didn't see the point, but he get it now. So we're gonna get the automatic one here. So I'll be back to do another review on that. This product is perfect for anybody that's running a t-shirt company or a custom apparel company. It just, to me, it makes a major difference. With, like I said, I have an even bigger heat press that I got off Amazon. Another one that I got for a gift. But this is just like just nicer model. It makes a big difference. So I'm probably going to be even more in love once I get the automatic one. Some unique or unusual ways you use the product in everyday life. That really doesn't apply here other than I use it to make my custom apparel, things like that. Would you recommend this product to a friend? Absolutely. Now, hopefully you don't get one damaged. It is crazy because I was looking at another YouTuber, and if I figure out what was the name, then I will put it below. But they had the same issue. Crazy. So I don't know if it's a Hix thing that they send you damaged products first, and maybe they think you won't see, and then they send you the real one. I don't know. But it was damaged when I got it. But I would recommend it because I love it. Like I said, I'm going to give them another try, and I'm going to upgrade to the model that automatically opens. Now that you made your product review, okay, so yeah, now that I have it, again, like I said, if you want to see me actually using it, if you want to see a tutorial on how I use it, how I set the different settings, how I use the different settings, how I use my digital heat effect system, how I use my OKI 8432WC for other things, or just a t-shirt process from start to finish, how I started my t-shirt business, any type of video that you want to know, let us know. We'll be happy to create the video for you. I know that I talk kind of fast, but I didn't want this video too long. I just wanted you to understand my frustration and now happiness. So it was a hate, now love relationship with Hix because I absolutely love my machine, but I did not love it at first. Best Blanks, I have ordered something. As a matter of fact, I did order something from Best Blanks again, and I got it ASAP. This, the T-square tool. I love this, so if you want to see how I use this, let me know. But T-square, I use this, and also these. So I think I got this from Amazon, but I got the T-square from Best Blank Scent. I did appreciate the different papers he gave me because it was an opportunity for me to try different papers for my machine for his compensation. So again, I just wanted to give you my experience with both companies and just my customer experience. So again, if you like this video, thumbs it up. subscribe and comment below if you want to see a different type of a tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. She is Creations. I'll put them here. Thanks for watching.